Olive tapenade is one of those things that looks fancy but takes a minute to make. Today we are running a handful of simple ingredients into a bold restaurant-style sandwich you won't stop thinking about. Black olives for rich and salty flavor of the tapenade. Garlic adds depth and a gentle punch. Rosemary gives earthy and aromatic note. Salt enhances all the flavors already in the bowl. Black pepper adds subtle warmth and complicity. Parmesan cheese for umami, nuttiness, and a creamy finish. Olive oil for smoother texture. I am Dom, and this is how I make my olive tapenade. In a blender, we add our black olives. Next, garlic, fresh rosemary, Parmesan cheese, salt, and black pepper. Blend until mostly smooth, streaming in the olive oil as you go. Olive oil brings everything together, creating a luxurious mouthfeel. Scrap down the sides and blend again. Don't worry about making it perfectly smooth. A few little chunks add character. And just like that, homemade olive tapenade is ready for the week. Our sourdough is nicely toasted, so let's build this sandwich. Start with a generous layer of the olive tapenade and spread it right to the edges. This is the star of the sandwich. The rich olives, aromatic rosemary, parmesan, and garlic come together to create a bold, savory base. The warmth from the toast slightly softens the tapenade, allowing all flavors to melt into every bite. Next, top with juicy slices of tomatoes, grilled halloumi with these beautiful golden edges. Look at that. An easy homemade sandwich with restaurant quality flavor in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my playlist for more amazing recipes. And until we meet in the next one, peace out.